robala ka kgotso motho e ka gama e sileng letsholo mongwatu o moncho o phelo etsuwe
Yo, hey, to think that I know this lady, Gamalake Utandi. I met her during Serafina in the 1989. She lived in Europe, in Denmark, if I'm not mistaken, or Sweden. And at 12, then 13, she left when she was still young, and I know she can't speak even. I know, shame.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video ayasisi lokhuluma speech lapha ku funeral. I think it's a funeral service, and bambhalile phansi le speech lekufanele sikhuluma. I think basibhale ngelanguage, I think Spade, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not quite sure. Spade is Sotho kona lokho, and I was butcherisha seswebantu. Oh, and people said ukuthi gele ngabe vele wastika kusingisi because siyabona ukuthi isingisi sona usikhipha ngemakhala, but leyo language losoyikhuluma uqhathi nesimzansi asiyati sicala kuyivanga when balabaningi they were really laughing aloya sisi bamhleka ngendlela lesimanga, including naye Somizi wamhleka uwasho, but Somizi ukuthi uyamadwa mithana naye laphana kusa ekuthiwa iSarafina, washo vele ukuthi ukhulele ngala kumava phesheya, so uyati vele ukuthi maluma lamzansi seswe bantu sheme akawati, so bamhlekile nje abantu bamhleka bathi when you reach aunt comes. Hey bantu labani ngibahleka nkosi yami bathi yati kubuvale wastika kwesingisi samo sengothi ngibani mara lo mbhalele le speech knowing very well ukuthi akakhoni lo muntu kuyikhuluma leyo language. Manje now people are really confused ukuthi what is she saying exactly, because abamuva abantu ukuthi uthini. Oh, please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.